What is going on, social media family? My name is Jorge Lopez and I am your salesperson. Yes, I sell Fords at Tomball Ford. We are located in Tomball, Texas. Welcome to yet another video where in this video we're talking about my first look, my first impressions about the 2023 Raptor with the 37 performance package in Avalanche Gray. So without further ado, I always like to start with the window sticker and show you what I'm seeing. And like I said before, this is a 2023 Raptor four-wheel drive, obviously, with the EcoBoost engine in the Avalanche Gray. Yeah, this is a brand new color. Well, I say brand new because it got deleted from Ford. It debuted itself back in 2017, and this setup right here was my favorite color of choice back then. And you know what? It's still in my top two choices if I were to pick a Ford Raptor for myself. But hey, what do you think? Do you like this color? Comment below and let me know if you love the Avalanche Gray. And coming down here, let me tell you about the heated steering wheel. Man, this heated steering wheel has been a huge pain in the you-know-what, and that is the #1 reason why a lot of Raptors have been stuck up at the factory, because Ford is not able to get us heated steering wheel. So I'm sorry to say that I have a few people that are still waiting for the 2022s, and we are already in January of 2023. So keep on hanging in there. We will get your Ford Raptor. And the star of this show is the 37 performance package, which comes to an $85,785 MSRP price that Dave is paying for. And this truck is going to San Diego, California. And Dave, a shout out to you. This is your beast, this is your truck, and I cannot wait for you to take it outdoors and test drive it yourself. Okay, let's start the walk around talking about the front end of this beast, because it is just a gorgeous, beautiful front end. But let's start right on top over here. You can see you've got a massive power dome which houses a huge, humongous heat extractor. And yes, that absolutely works, along with the heat extractor over here. The less heat you have in the engine compartment, the better the engine performs. You've got your decal that comes with the performance package. This right here, alongside with the graphics on the bedside, are able to be deleted and removed if you wanted to, but I think it completes the look of the Raptor. And especially if you've got the 37 performance package, you want to tell people that you've got a massive, big setup on these tires. Now, looking around the front grille, you've got your marker lights right here along the side. And this is a really cool Easter egg. Right here, you can see that it says Raptor on there, so that it'll light up at night. No, I'm just kidding. It does not light up at night. But you've got your quad beam LED headlights, your LED marker lights. You also have your Rigid Industries LED lights as well, your fog lights, your active grille shutters in here to help control the airflow. And then you've got your marker lights over here, as you can see them right there. Well, this is a requirement because this truck is so wide that it needs marker lights along the front, and I'm going to show you marker lights along the side here in a moment. But look at this massive Ford grille, so anybody and everybody that sees you on their rear view mirror, they'll see that you're driving a Ford vehicle. So this is pretty awesome. You got your tow hooks, you got your front sensors on there as well, and this completes the look on the front. Okay, well, let me show you the star of this show, and that is, bam! The 37 performance package comes with the 37-inch tire. These are BF Goodrich. These are the KO2 size. This is a beat lock capable wheel. That's not the beat lock wheel, but that's a beat lock capable wheel. Now, talking about the suspension, I don't know if my cameraman can see that suspension. You got the Fox Live shocks with active dampening suspension, you know, beefy tie rod. You got so much going on in there, which makes this truck very Baja capable, very off-road capable. If you're able to get a 37 performance package on your Ford Raptor, I recommend it, not only for the look, but also for the suspension upgrades that you get. Coming along the side of the Ford F150 Raptor, you got your spotlights right there, you got your side camera, you got your keyless entry keypad, you also have your touch lock and unlock, very simple stuff. But look at that running board. That running board right there is exclusive to the Ford F-150 Raptor. It's nice and it's rugged, and it says Raptor right at the end. Now take a look at this graphics package. Like I said, this is an option to delete, but I feel like that topography map is a way of saying, hey, this is a very off-road capable vehicle, because this specific performance truck has been in races and has actually done extremely well. Coming along the back over here, you've got another set of marker lights. Now they're in red for people behind you to see, and to just basically see that you're behind you. Now, I want to say something. We purposely put a Bronco Raptor in cactus gray alongside with this F-150 Avalanche gray. Look at the color. Hopefully the camera can see that Raptor right there, which, by the way, this is available for sale as of the date of this video. This cactus gray Raptor is available. Unfortunately, the person that ordered it didn't want it. It is not my business to understand why, because, man, this is a nicely fully loaded Raptor with, let's see, we've got your coat orange seat belts, you've got your carbon fiber package, your leather. I know it's too much glare, but hey, if you're interested in a Raptor, I've got it. But look at the colors. Don't they look very similar? Let me get out of the way. This is one of the things that really separates this truck from any other, with a big Ford lettering and the Raptor logo here in the back. The Raptor 37 Performance decal going across the bottom part of the tailgate. Backup camera, nicely loaded on the back. But let me show you that dual exhaust, man. I think that dual exhaust is pretty awesome. The F-150 Raptors have had it now for quite some time. I love that, I love that, I love that. And let me show you right inside in the bed of the truck. Now, this one doesn't have a sprayed-in bed liner. People can option it with a spray-in bed liner. This customer said, I don't want one, which is cool. We respect that. But let me show you. You also have a 2 kilowatt generator. So you can plug in appliances. You can plug in a, I don't know, circular saw, a drill. And if you're working back over here, you can actually use these as C-clamps. So if you've got like a 2x4 right there, you've got your drill or your circular saw connected and you're working. It's pretty cool stuff. And then back over here also, when you want to strap something down like a sheet of plywood or something, you can use these straps right over here so that you can go ahead and tie this one to the other one on that side. And guess what? You got, you know, you ratchet them down, you tie them down, and you secure your cargo in the back. So this is a quick view of the back of the F-150 Raptor. Okay, so we come inside of the Ford F-150 Raptor, and I do want to share with you that the sunroof is an option. This customer said, I don't want a sunroof, I'm okay without it. So guess what? We don't have a sunroof. Okay, you've got your Sync 4 system. I'm not going to go into detail. There's a lot of YouTube videos about that, but you got your wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You got all your climate control, your radio controls. I love the climate control seats, the heated and cool seats. And you've got a wireless charging pad. You've got your USB-A, USB-C ports right there. And oh, I forgot. These are really cool coins that my customer gifted me a long time ago, and I obviously kept them. Dave, you know, thank you again for the gifts that you sent me a while back. I kept them, and I knew that I was going to make a video, and I just wanted to showcase to let you know that I still have them, which is very cool. Now, I want to spend a few moments just talking about some of the important buttons for the F-150 Raptor. One of them is your steering feel. As you can see in the screen, you've got Comfort, Sport, and Baja, which is the last one. For the suspension, you've got Sport and Off-Road. And for the exhaust, you got Quiet, which is really quiet. You've got Normal, Sport, and Baja mode. Oh my God, that sounds so sexy. Now, if you love that setting, you can actually have that memorized. Look at what happens on the screen right there. Now it says press R again to save. So you save it, and now every time that you hit your R and hit it again, it is gonna go to those settings that you've set, which is really cool. It's a quick way for you to get to your favorite settings fast. Now let me show you. You've got your metal paddle shifters, Raptor logo right there, and this is right here a marker on all of the Raptor lineup, no matter what it is. Basically tells you where your wheels are basically pointing to. So these are just a few things that the F-150 Raptor has. Obviously, every Raptor is a four-wheel drive. You got your four-wheel drive high, low, and the automatic right there as well. And if you turn these, look at what happens. You've got different driving modes, and those driving modes will basically shift your four-wheel drive, like in Baja mode that you see there. We're in four-wheel drive high, as you can see right there, but look at the screen. It shows the front of the screen, and when I'm turning my steering wheel, it can give you a trajectory as to where the tires are headed to. It's really cool stuff that you have on a Ford F-150 Raptor, along with one pedal driving. So if you're driving on a hill up or down, you don't have to gas and brake. You basically gas it to speed up and let go of the accelerator pedal to slow down. So these are just a few things that the F-150 Raptor has that make it a very off-road, super capable truck when you're going in trails. Hey, I am your salesperson here at Tomball Ford. If you have any questions about an F-150 Raptor, I'm always here to help you. I've been helping people get their trucks at a very affordable price since 2017. My contact information is below, so if you have any questions, comment below and send me a message. Okay, well, we are back over here in the unloading dock. As you can see, this is all of our vehicles that we get from the factory, including a twin brother Avalanche grade 37 performance package. So we're about to call Enrique. Hopefully he answers and we can share with him that his Raptor performance package is in. So let's call him up. He's not answering. Come on, Enrique, answer.
Hello?
Hey, this is Jorge Lopez over at Tomball Ford. Is this Enrique?
Yeah, this is him.
Hey, man, did I catch you at a good time?
Yes, you did, yes.
Awesome, brother. Well, hey, listen, I just wanted to give you a quick call to let you know that I've got something that belongs to you.
Oh, it came in?
Yeah, man.
Awesome, awesome.
Yeah, buddy. So I just wanted to call you and let you know, and I'm going to get with you here shortly to button up the final details. Cool?
Okay, awesome.
All right, my friend. Well, thank you, man. I just wanted to let you know that your beast is here, and I'll shoot you some pictures of it soon so that you can check it out, okay?
Awesome, sweet. Thanks, Jorge.
All right, Enrique. Congratulations, brother.
Alrighty, thank you.
Yes, sir. Bye-bye. Boom. So there you go. Happy customer getting his F-150 Raptor. Okay, well, there you have it, guys. This is a walk-around video regarding the 2023 Ford Raptor Performance 37 package in Avalanche Gray. What do you guys think? I need to know. Comment below and let me know if you approve of this color, if you approve of this combination. And remember, guys, that Raptor is available for sale. Remember, guys, you can contact me if you have any questions about ordering any future Ford F-150 Raptors. I am Jorge Lopez, your sales consultant here at Tomball Ford. Yes, I sell Fords. It would be my pleasure to help you out. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share and turn your bell notifications on so that you don't miss any more upcoming videos. On to the next video. Have a blessed day.